being a cowgirl. And what do cowgirls do? They live on a ranch. So I've got my ranch clothes on today. And we're going to have a ranchy recipe. We're going to be making our very own ranch dressing. This recipe for ranch dressing is super easy. There's only 3 ingredients. Ranch dressing, mayonnaise, and a little bit of leche. That's code for milk. We need a bowl, and we need our mixing ingredients. The first thing we're going to do is open our ranch dressing, pour it in the bowl, just like that. Next thing we're going to do, measure out 1 cup of mayonnaise. Using my handy spatula, measure it on out. Keep on going, almost there. Okay, looking good to me. Here we go, 1 cup. Dump her right in the bowl, just like you're feeding cows in a trough. Okay, next thing we're going to do is do 1 cup of milk. So we're going to use the same measuring cup and the milk. 1 cup. And just dump her right on in there. There we go. Okay, now we're just going to stir. If you have some music, you can stir the music. That'll make it a whole lot more fun. We'll just whip it on up. See how we're stirring it? Mixing on right nice, isn't it? Okay, that's all we do. Now, we just gotta leave this sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So come on over here, we're gonna put it in. In 30 minutes, we'll come back and check it. Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's been 30 minutes and we're ready to check our ranch dressing. Let's head on over to the fridge and see how it looks. Looks nice and creamy. Okay, so for serving suggestion, all we're going to do is put some in this little dish and we'll serve it. I've got carrots and green peppers and cheese sticks. So just fill up your bowl. Delicious. Okay, here's the serving suggestion. Now we're going to go find our little cowpoke and see what he thinks. That's it from the ranch. See y'all next time. Bye.